Why is your steel production losing money without you knowing? No heat level visibility, uncontrolled scrap and yield losses, costly rework decisions, and working capital stuck in work in progress. Disconnected systems hide the real cost of your operations. With Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, unify your entire steel value chain, from scrap to dispatch, with real-time visibility and control. Key Dynamics delivers end-to-end digital transformation through our AI-first design for rapid implementation. Our AI-powered ecosystem accelerates every phase of transformation. AI discovery and analysis agents capture stakeholder inputs and generate clear business requirements. AI-driven solution design agents recommend fit-to-standard Dynamics 365 configurations with minimal customization. AI-assisted development agents automate coding tasks and workflows for faster delivery. Automated data migration agents validate and clean legacy data for a smooth go-live. And intelligent testing and user enablement agents automate testing and create training guides for faster adoption, improve accuracy, reduce waste, and gain complete batch traceability. Powered by Key Dynamics, transform your operations. Start today.